Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. Today we are going to start with the very first video of this course called AWS Developer Associate Course, in which I will be sharing with you the contents that we are going to learn from this course, as well as we will do a quick AWS console tour today. Okay, so let's get started. Coming to the contents, we are going to have a quick introduction about what all is there in the course, exam guide, and all I have already shared in the previous video. So that I'm already done with. So IAM will be the next video which will be coming up, and then we'll go with S3, EC2, ELBN, auto scaling, VPC, databases, caching, Route 53, CLI. We'll be covering each and every topic, and we'll try to do labs as well. So next, the topics that will be covered for the course are serverless CI/CD developer, security, Docker on AWS, Kinesis, Trusted Advisor, CloudFront, CloudTrail, CloudFormation, SQS, SNS, and SWL. So first, I would like you to repeat to yourself that I can and I will succeed. Go with this formula and let's go and start the console tour. So why console tour is necessary? So to understand the AWS services, are we going to study in it? Before that, you should know how AWS console looks and what type of services you have in it. Many of you who are on my channel might be knowing this, but this is for the people who are completely new to AWS. So let's go and study the console and explore how it looks. So here we are in our AWS Management Console. I'll put the link in the description box below. So you can check out all the services from here, what are available, what all these services do, the points which are necessary for Developer Associate course we'll be covering. Okay, and here you have your username and your account details and all, and then the region in which you are, all the notifications that you have, and here you can even plan up if you want to build a solution, you want to learn something, you also have the training available, as I have already previously discussed about skill builder and all, so that is available. Okay, and if you want to check out some latest announcements, blogs, or anything which is come up, so everything is visible over here. Just go and create an account so that whenever we do labs, you can easily match up to that. Coming to the cost, please do create a billing alarm. Okay, I'll put the link how to create a billing alarm on the AWS account. I'll put the link down. You can just follow those tips and create a billing alarm so that you do not have to pay high extensive bills. Anyhow, the lab what we will be doing will be there in the free tier, so not a problem at all. Hopefully, today's session was useful for you, and you gained some knowledge about the AWS Service Console and how it looks and everything. The next video will be on IAM, as I said. So let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box below. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification of the next video. Thank you.